car wash pump number 3. There's a picture from the website. Unboxing very quickly. Got that. Check. Got the hose with the weight. Check. Got the sprayer. Check. The pump. Okay. That seems to be okay also. And the power cable. Notice this power cable doesn't have an inline switch. The other two that I bought both have that. Alright, so they get that, and let's see the accessories. Right here. Let's see if we got them all. We got alright. So we got that. That. Let's see. Okay, it's got a washer, another washer, got the fuse, and this roll of Teflon tape, which is probably enough to get the job done. Okay, so that's too big for that. Okay, that goes there. And this is going to be the output. Got the arrow on the output. And oh, that's a washer for there. Oh, the washer's in here. It's got a clear washer in here. So that goes directly on there. And this is the input. And it is squeezed on there onto the nipple, like so. And that collar nut goes on there, and that's the whole deal there. That goes in the water, obviously, and this just connects on there. Now this is a different connector than you get from the other ones. It should be an improvement. Oh, there's another washer. That one. Okay, we got that one and that one. Extra. And this is a regular hose connector washer that's inside here. Alright. Like I said, the connector is different. The other connectors on the other pumps, it's to pull back only, and this one you twist on. I'm not sure which one's going to be better, because when you hook this, the handle, I mean, it's just a matter of twisting it and it can pop off. The other one, the other two that I have, you pull it back, now they pop off, which you'll see. I'll show. And what we have to do is we have to put the horseshoe in, you know, like the blue ones you get with reverse osmosis systems. You got those horseshoes that go to hold the quick disconnect closed. Well, I made those for the other ones, But this, if you're going about your business, washing your car or whatever, it's just a matter of twisting it, because there's no swivel on this one. So, you know, it still remains to be seen if this is going to be better. But that's what's in the box. Everything's here. This particular one is 145 pounds of pressure. When I bought this, I wanted to see that if I could detune this down to the 100-pound pressure that we're looking for in our water system. And that remains to be seen. We'll see. I'll do the testing on future videos. All right, so there's number 3.